was established in 2008 with a factory area of 3,000 square meters and more than 10 patents, quality management system certificates, with a dedicated team of more than 50 professionals specializing in carbide tool manufacturing, including over 30 technical experts. Jimmy combines precision engineering with cutting tool automation. Jimmy's automated production workshop is equipped with over 30 advanced imported machines, including 2 automatic cutting machines, 2 automatic chamfering machines, 5 precision centerless grinding machines, 2 precision step grinding machines, 5 Japanese Makino 6-axis tool grinding machines, 1 imported milling cutter coating device, 2 Australian ANCA 5-axis tool grinding machines, 2 German Walter 5-axis tool grinding machines, 1 milling cutter post-treatment blunting machine, 1 German Zoller G3 inspection device, 3 end mill profile projection inspection machines. Jimmy CNC maintains a comprehensive and ample inventory of standardized products, providing reliable and worry-free solutions. Jimmy has own in-house testing workshop to evaluate the performance of our end mills under various machining conditions. Based on test results, we continuously refine our products to guarantee superior milling performance across different environments. We use imported, high-quality carbide rods to ensure batch-to-batch stability, with materials capable of machining hardness up to HRC 6.2. Our products are recognized for their high cost-effectiveness and exceptional value, helping customers maximize their efficiency and confidence in our tools. Despite the increasingly competitive market, Jimmy continues to grow and expand, with products widely sold in different countries, such as Europe, America, Japan, and South Korea, receiving unanimous praise from many customers.